Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2013 Cadillac SRX we're going to be working on. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. We're going to pop the hood. To pop the hood, there is a, right next to the kick panel, right here, there's a little lever with a hood. Just pull that lever. To release the safety, there's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the driver's side, lift it up. So to check the coolant, the cap is right here. There is a coolant level indicator on the front of this bottle, but you can't see it because of the battery location. The level is right around where this split is. You do not want to open this cap when the vehicle is hot. You want to make sure the vehicle is cool. So you can pull this cap off. You can top off. It may be easier to see inside there to see where the level is at. You can top off with the appropriate coolant. You can reinstall the cap until it locks in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.